Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna.
What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we will take a look on Tangem Wallet. So I just received this wallet. So we will discuss all the detail regarding Tangem Wallet and its safety and security. But let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own ease, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can keep your assets safe and secure by using Tangem Wallet, so you can buy Tangem Wallet. So I will provide you all the information, its price, and how basically you can swap cryptocurrencies, how you can buy that, and how you can trade it, because all benefits are available under a single platform. So please don't miss any part of this platform, because in the next few minutes I will guide you how basically you can connect your Tangem Wallet with your mobile, and how you can download the Tangem app, and its price and its details, its warranty, guarantee, and the team who's backing up this platform and their experience. Each and everything is very important to understand, because it's matter of your investment. So it's your responsibility to visit all the details, all the information, and the links are mentioned. I will post all the links in description. You can join the links and you will be able to get more information regarding Tangem Wallet. So you can see here in Tangem Wallet, we're going to unbox Tangem Wallet. So you can see here at the moment there are 3 cards. You can see here there are 3 cards, and it's basically for your protection, because if sometime you miss one card, so there are 2 cards are remaining for backup. So it's quite perfect, and we will see more details. And you can see here the Tangem, your secure crypto hardware wallet. They are claiming that this wallet is secure for you, but we will study that first, because each day hundreds of platforms are launching, hundreds of wallets and ledgers are launching, and few of them have legend and few of them are scam. So you have to be careful about that before buying any sort of wallet. So you can see here the detail. At the moment the price, you can see here 54.90, and how basically you can buy that. So let's check it out. So here are the details, guys. Their prices are given. You can see here, if you buy 3 card setup, so its price will be 62.91, and next, if you buy 2 card setup, cheaper price with $9.41, and next, if you want to buy a family pack, it's around about $125, and next, a Tangem ring and plus card if you want to buy both, and the price will be $144, guys. So this was the detail about the price and how basically you can buy that. You can see here, and you want to buy 1 or 2 or 3, or you want to buy a family package. If you want to buy card plus rings, it's up to you. Okay. Next, you can see here your delivery will be completed in 7 business days. When you apply, when you want to buy that, it will be delivered within 7 or 8 days. And you can see order price 188.73. So this was the detail that I provide you. Okay, we will move back, and here you can see the second thing, guys. You can see here it's a 25-year warranty, and so it's based basically the team who's belong from Switzerland. And next, you can see here is security standard. So I already told you that you need to verify each and everything, audit and security resources. Next, Tangem find the crypto wallet experience with the top level security, simplicity, and convenience. Enjoy total independence when managing your digital asset. So this paragraph is very important, because when you are using this wallet, it's mean all control will be in your hand, and you can easily manage your crypto asset whenever you want to buy, whenever you want to swap. So all benefits are available. Next, you can see here we break down the barriers of newcomers and enhanced self-custody for the experts. So it's both of them, whether you are a newcomer or whether they are experienced, and it's quite amazing. So how much time it takes to complete all the setup? So you can see here this card. You need to connect this card with your wallet, and it take around about 3 minutes to complete this setup. And you can see here you will connect your 3 card with your wallet, right? And after that you have to follow all the instruction of Tangem, and first you will download the app from Google Play Store, and after that you will scan your card with your mobile app, and after that it will done. And after that you can easily move your crypto asset in Tangem Wallet, right? So this was the detail. And next, if you scroll down a bit, you can see here the smart private key backup. So there are perfect key backup for you, and there are key phrase that makes this wallet more safer than the other wallets. So it's quite perfect. And next you can see more than 600,000 Tangem Wallet has been sold out, and there's no any hacked creation. It's quite safe, and they designed this wallet accordingly, so that's why nobody can hack your wallet. So you have a full control on your wallet. You can see here Tangem keep crypto safe on server France. And next you can see discover the best crypto wallet app in Tangem, and you can see here different type of prices are there. And next you can see analyze tokens, swap, buy, sell, and stake crypto. So I already told you that all benefits are under a single platform, and you can download their app on App Store, Google Play, and Android APK download. Next, you can see access thousands of cryptocurrencies. No doubt about that you can use thousands of cryptocurrencies by using Tangem Wallet. And next, you can see here Tangem chip crypto security at its peak. So as they mentioned that it's for 25-year warranty and maximum resistance and the high chip security standard, and all protections are available here. So you can see here more information. I told you the guarantee about that. The links are given, and please don't miss to join their links. It's very important. When you join their links, you will be able to get more information regarding Tangem Wallet. So this was the detail. I will post all the links in the description, guys. Okay, next you can buy the ring also, guys, if you want to buy the ring. So here we go. You can see here all details are there. You can refer all the information, all the details. Next, partnership details are there. Referral program. If you have a capability to generate best return by sending your friends and family, so you can send your friends and family. If someone use your referral link and buy Tangem Wallet, so you will get some sort of referral commission also. So how much it is, so you can see all the detail and how basically you can generate the return. And next you can see their community. They're very strong community and team with the backing of this platform, and none of the project can be sold without activating strong team. So that's why they introduced this wallet. And the details about the company, each and everything is given. So hope so, guys, you briefly understand about Tangem Wallet. And if you are interested to buy Tangem Wallet, so it's quite a reasonable price at the moment. You can order Tangem Wallet now, and it will be delivered within 7 or 8 days in working days. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.